We're gonna go test it and see how bad you bent it. And try to use it. How bad you destroyed it. Oh, more bodies.
Nice.
Told you they're hard to come off.
Yeah.
Because they're all right there. This one has chrome on this one.
Oh, it must run really good.
It does. It has chrome on it. High flow manifold.
This looks like a lawnmower manifold.
Don't laugh. I bored that thing out. It actually has been high flow. I bored it out.
Wow. Yeah, I can see that.
It's been hot rodded. You laugh at it, but it's been hot rodded already. It was way worse.
Really?
I need a screwdriver here.
What in the heck is that?
There's a fuel line.
For a war bike?
It could be.
It's green.
It's green.
I'd like to get some fuel lines like those. Not green, but the hard style.
That's what I found.
Throttle screws. So you got a lot. Yeah,
It looks like the right one there. Bingo. One Phillips, one straight. Straight one's original. That's a lock washer to go with it. Any lock washer?
I guess. I think we need them.
Those are two different sizes already. 3, because this is the intermediate size one right here. That's the one I need.
Oh, they even ground it all off here too.
Oh, that's a special carburetor there.
They wanted that real clean look, huh?
It was polished at one time.
They just polished the numbers right off. Probably a tweaker did that.
Some showback guy. I used to get the chrome ones so I could build up chrome carburetors, and Dad went and blasted them.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, now they look all nickel color.
Oh.
Pissed me off.
Not gonna lie, a chrome linkert would look pretty cool.
I still got a couple floating around. He didn't get all of them.
Did he just do it because he didn't like chrome?
It's hard to tell. Maybe he thought it was dirty.
Maybe they were dirty. All that chrome's dirtying up that carburetor.
That's right. Had something all over it.
It was too shiny.
Yeah, the only lock washer we have. Hey. Damn, a small lock washer.
Oh, there's one.
There's one. Got it.
There's 2.
Nope, those are small ones. This is the big one.
Oh.
Intermediate size, excuse me. There's 3 different sizes. I found the correct one. Okay, but they're 2 different threads. See, one's Phillips. So did you bend my screwdriver or just bent it? See, it's a good screwdriver. You didn't bend it, see?
Yeah, my motor's not that strong.
Yeah, snap-on tools. Take abuse. Keep on ticking.
That's a snap-on?
Not this one.
Oh.
That one is.
I got a few of those. None that I ever bought, though.
That screw's not very good, but it's in there. Okay, so all you gotta do is do that. Oh, we don't have a screw for here. Hunting for a screw now. Need some kind of a screw, boss. Some kind of big screw.
Right there.
No, that one's already been used. I don't like robbing stuff that's already done. Too small. Too small. I think we're screwed, boss. junk box.
Mm.
Guys on eBay be drooling over this junk box.
Probably. That junk box would be worth hundreds.
Oh, more than that.
Really?
Yeah. Jeez, it's a bad one. I don't like that one.
That one doesn't want to get robbed.
Let's see what we got. Told you I don't like robbing screws. There's more linkert parts in one of these boxes over here. See, there's some more linkers over here.
Jeez. Harley made a lot of those, huh?
This is all nickel plated though, see?
Oh.
Big dollar shit.
Nobody's ever even gonna see that.
I guess still somebody sees it. Steal it.
Yeah.
Probably $100 in plating on those things.
Just the plating?
Yeah, maybe even more. It's all aircraft spec.
Did you have them plated?
My friend who does aircraft did, so everything's to aircraft spec, which we get paid 10 times more than it should have cost.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't like the bill when I got it.
Oh.
It's a little excessive. There you go.
Oh, that'll work.
I don't know. Have to see how long it is. Be so long it's going to stick in the way of your throttle.
You can trim it.
Could just go with a different screw. Yeah, that one might not be long enough. I think that'll just work.
Oh.
Covering up the hole?
Yeah. No,
Yeah, no?
it's not.
Which one's a yeah or no?
No.
No?
Mm-mm.
So you're saying it's too short?
Yeah, it barely doesn't cover.
Barely doesn't work, huh?
Mm-hmm.
You have to go back to the last one.
At first I thought it did, but it's all light.
So that was the reason I got a now yes?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, or yes now?
Mm-hmm.
I got lost. How about this one?
That probably will work.
Goes in further. Alright, there's a carbonator. Test platform available.
And if it works, I guess just leave it on there, huh?
Nope.
No?
Nope, this is my carburetor, not yours.
Well,
Look at that, I got a professional rebuilt that. Look at all that silicone on there.
Oh, yeah. So if it works, you're just going to tease me and say, give it back to me now.
Look at that. That's a professional job. Someone really did a good job on rebuilding this one.
I thought that was old ancient gasoline.
Well, it wasn't a racer because it would have been red. So this is clear. They're trying to hide the fact that they use silicone on it.
Oh, if you're racing, you can't do that?
Oh, you gotta have red on there.
Why can't
See,
you?
the threads are bad too.
Why can't you have clear silicone
You
if you're racing?
can't have that. Okay, what do you got this adjusted to? Look, it's loose too.
There must be a problem in there. Do we even want to look inside of it?
I bet you it's tight. The problem is they didn't put the gasket on there. That's the problem.
Yeah, so it has no, it can't suck up anymore.
So you used a gasket on it. They used silicone and then it had it loose. So even though they silicone the piss out of it, it still leaked.
Had no gasket here and no gasket up here.
You don't need one on top.
Why?
The gas is below it. You don't need a gasket there.
You have one then.
But you do need a gasket there.
But doesn't it change your float settings to not have a gasket?
Nope.
Oh.
No used gaskets. Kind of a fly-by-night outfit we got around here. Dude, that's pretty sorrowful. Kind of person would have no gaskets in their carburetors. I'll saw some somewhere. Maybe. I think I sold them away. I think somebody wanted to buy all of them, so I sold them away. There's one.
Someone wanted to buy all the gaskets.
One of my vintage ones, yeah. They didn't get this one though. Because I had it hidden in that box. And it was there.
Oh.
We don't want to use no used parts or new parts in this carburetor to make it look bad. See what condition this was in there?
I didn't, but now we're looking at it.
It floats a little high, but it's alright.
A little dirty in there.
Good
I
enough.
saw dirt falling out.
Yeah, it's fine. There's no dirt in there. It's got a jet in it though, so you know it'll be happy.
Like, there's no dirt as I see a hair in the fucking bowl.
It's alright. See if it'll run. Here, look at that.
Now it's tight.
No, it doesn't move. You got no silicone on it anymore either.
Yeah, it almost looks like a pretty respectable little carb.
You see how far it was open? Half a turn. It had that big ass jet in it. I don't think it needs even to be open at all.
Really?
It can be plugged up and still be just fine. But yeah, we'll give it the half a turn that it had.
Just see how that likes it. So if this thing starts and runs okay,
Half.
just
One.
okay,
1.5. 2. 2.5. 3. 3.25.
what would be the whole purpose of me doing that
6.
if you want the carburetor back? Just to see if it was my carburetor?
Yep. Then we know the problem's carburetor.
Okay.
And we got this one here.
And if it's my carburetor, then we'll rebuild that one.
We can take all your parts off your carburetor and put them in this carburetor.
Oh, okay.
The only part you don't have that we can take out is the one that's right there, but see, it still has it in there.
Yeah.
Because somebody took all the other plugs out, see.
And then I'll get the ones polished.
You can polish this up if you want to make it shiny, yes. But you can take all the parts off your carburetor and put them in this carburetor. I know you're going to want to ride it bike. Anyway, you can put this on tomorrow, see what happens. I'd probably move this out to the outer hole to make it work better. I don't have any to fix your throttle cable here, so we'll have to deal with that later.
And just come back next week.
Gotta order some parts, but anyway, that'll work for that. Alright, that's it for tonight on that one.